Welcome back to Mompreneur Profits page here. My name is Jasmine. I reside in Mississippi. I'm 35 years old. I have a 17-year-old son. I work as a distribution specialist Monday through Friday, off on the weekends. I've been in the online marketing space since December of 2017. And when I say things have absolutely changed since then, social media, how social media work, how people are going viral, how people are getting followers, different things of that nature, how we got AI now and all that different type of stuff is totally changing. I mean, it's really changing. It's like mind blowing to me of the things that you can do now. So I basically wanted to take you inside of Royale Business Academy, how to make money online selling digital products, also selling a digital course as well too. But I'm giving you a sneak peek inside of Royale Business Academy. Most of you probably have seen this. Most of you may have not seen this, but let's take a sneak peek real quick. So I'm going to take you to the community wall. And when you join inside of this community here, as you can see here, we have an onboarding training with one of our admins as well that is happening in 4 days. So we do have onboarding training calls. We do have support. We're going to have customer service. We got all of this just to be able to help you. We are literally almost at 60,000 members. It's about 197 members online right now. I'm recording this July 5th, 2025. So this is the creator of Royale Business Academy here. So let's take you inside of the classroom. This is basically the #1 business startup academy here. It's basically helping you do online businesses and also offline businesses as well too. Basically physical business. So when you get started with RBA, which is Royale Business Academy, it basically takes you step by step on showing you what is a roadmap, how to get started, how to set up your business, so on and so forth. So also the next one is basically community guidelines, pretty much choosing your major on what you want to actually learn about. This is like a school, like you going to school. So I love it. Also talks about the community mission and values. We also got free RBA mentorship. We also got a Roybot, as well. We also got a no refund policy. We also got RBA earnings disclaimer as well too. This is a your price, your profit type community. That means when you join into this community, you have the right to set your price between $22 to $597. If you are on a mission to making $200 a week or $200 a day, you could set your price at $200. If you're on a mission for $500 a week, set your price at $500, because trust me, it's worth valued at over $2,500. So this is a lot of information. Think about the things that when you started online versus what you have now. This is a lot more information than what we used to have when we started online. So it's like with these different types of things, don't you think that we'll have to buy this, we'll have to buy that, we'll have to buy this. We'll have to constantly be buying things over and over, and it's all in one place. So it's something that you want to basically learn. We also got the master resale rights license, everything straight to a T, marketing materials, RBA sneak peek video that you can upload in your Beacon store, your Stand store, to have people take a look at, so that way you're also able to get leads as well too. Module about physical business majors, basically 65 business startup courses. I mean, look at this information: business credit, government contracting as well, business automation, customer experience. So it basically takes you through everything to pretty much learn something to where you can start something. You got to start somewhere. You got to. Digital business major, basically talking about what you can do online as well too. It also gives you that. Oh my God, these 20,000 PLRs, absolutely amazing, because if it wasn't for RBA, I wouldn't have I feel like I still would have been maybe in a same type of position, but RBA has helped me make sales. Definitely just helped me be better with certain things, so on and so forth, how to relay a message. I mean, we got AI to basically help us put our message together to where it makes sense, to where we don't feel like we're all over the place with our words, to where we're talking in our caption, to where, okay, the caption don't make sense. So now we got something to where our captions make sense, our emails make sense, so many different variety of things making sense now, because when you talk it into AI, they're putting it together for you to where, like, boom, this is something that 9 times out of 10 you would say, but it's making sense. Also, we have a module of business credit mastery as well too. You get a plug and play system. This one actually is coming soon, so we got some resources coming soon with this as well too. We have this amazing plug and play system. Like I said, we got training, onboarding calls as well too. We got a community that's willing to help you. We got personal credit repair that's coming soon. We got the RBA mentorship as well too. Like, once you complete this, you basically going to get a certificate at the end. It basically explains to welcome to RBA. What is master resale rights? A lot of people don't know what master resale rights is. Master resale rights is getting a part of a digital course itself that have master resale rights to where you're able to resell it for a profit over and over and over again. So it definitely has that as well too. So it's absolutely amazing what's inside of this business academy here. Like I said about the Roy Bot Mentor, this is a 24-hour assistant. Like, if you need help with coming up, how to promote something, how to say something, it's here for you 24/7. We also got a membership gifts as well too. These are basically low ticket items. We also I'm saying it twice. We got an RBA mini as well too. We got these 12 mini courses as well. We have these items here. It lets you know how you can resell it and everything for a low ticket. For people that may need help as well too, to understand about email marketing, digital marketing. Digital marketing is you basically promoting a product or service online that solves a problem to basically help somebody out. People are now using the term a little bit more when it comes to digital marketing. That term is being used more because most people didn't really used to say digital marketing back then. It was more like, if you're doing MLM, network marketing, or online marketing, it's like that term is just being used a little bit more, digital marketing. And it's all you're doing is basically promoting a product or service online. Unlike traditional marketing. Traditional marketing is basically like you're promoting through newspaper. You're promoting through like flyers, or you going out to vendor events or pop-up shops. You basically doing on the radio. That's traditional marketing when you're going outside of the social media era itself. Social media, of course, can help you reach a certain audience, get to the people you need to get to, but doing it offline as well too, and networking with other people who want to see you win, that's actually going to help you win. Let me say that again. That's actually going to help you win. Because there may have been times, and I know there have for me, to where I have invested with things and then leave with nothing and still felt like I left with the same thing when I came in when I purchased. It's like people now are having a price set for something, but you still leaving with nothing. Meaning that you're not taught anything. Meaning that you didn't learn anything different. Feel like you're still doing something on your own. Feel like that price that you paid for something was not even worth it because you're not learning anything, or you didn't learn anything. That's just the honest truth. How you're able and how people are able to make 6 and 7 figures is because they list a price at a certain thing, but you may not even get everything for that specific price. If you're paying $1,000 for something, you may not be getting $1,000 worth of information. There's a difference. So if you're getting over $300 plus worth of information, yes, Get it. Get something that meets your interests, your needs, and your wants. You have to get that. If you want to learn how to do AI, we also have AI in this business academy as well too. We also have a mindset module. As you can see here, we got Zoom replays. If you miss a Zoom, we got it right here. Learning about customer service, business foundation. If you need to properly set up your LLC, business startup courses. We got a faceless module as well too. It's so much information in here. How to basically do mobile food truck, independent trucking company, assisted living facility. It was one that I was basically looking at as well too. Let me see if it's going to show it or not. I was basically looking at the real estate module. Real estate wholesaling, how to get started. That is also included in here. I was going over that module as well too. So there's different variety of things in here that you're able to basically get a hold to, learn it, and solve a problem. You can also resell some of these courses, individually. We got vending machine in here, drop shipping, online, beauty salon business, medical scrubs business, laundromat, mobile DNA. We have so many courses in here in order for you to learn, and also in order for you to help somebody and you be able to achieve as well too. I mean, this is a win-win. I joined this course back in January. And because of this course, like I said, I have made sales. And I've also made sales on Etsy as well too. If it wasn't for this course, I'm telling you, this course is absolutely amazing. Of course, there are a lot of different variety of courses out there, but you have to find something that truly indeed meets your interests, your needs, and your wants. Figure out what's in the course and see if you need that type of information and what it can basically do for you. We got lead magnets, email, Etsy. See how to sell on Etsy, Amazon income bundle, merch on demand, Amazon influencer program. That's why I say this is breaking down everything that you need to basically learn. This is an all-in-one business in a box. And it's so much more to come. We're not done yet. When I told you about the PLR, the 20,000 products, literally everything here. Think about these ebooks, these bundles that you buy. Like if you buy it from somebody or if you buy it off of Etsy, you're going to be spending probably $50 plus just to get a bunch of ebooks and also bundles. You may get a bundle of like 2 to 3 ebooks. But you're going to constantly buy them. You're going to constantly buy them. Trust me, I know. I have constantly bought vendors lists and bought this and bought that. But when there's everything in one, you don't have to keep on buying. This is literally everything in one. Master's vendors list, vendor scripts, tax agency business, drop shipping, IV hydration business. I'm going to show you something. This is already done for you. All you have to do is edit it, customize it, and resell it. Change the cover. Change any type of information on the inside of it. Add your name, your brand, your colors. Add your links on the inside of this ebook as well too. And guess what? And sell it. Sell it. That's all you have to do is sell it. Because you never know who is looking for this type of information. You never know who's looking for this type of information. When I say so much inside of this course, absolutely so much inside of this course. So this is what I want to do, just basically give you a sneak peek. I wanted to give you a breakdown on how you can make money online selling digital products, how you can make $500 selling digital products, selling a business academy course, basically also providing information to other people to help solve a problem and so much more. I mean, this is, look at this, real estate being updated, affiliate marketing. All of this information at your fingertips. Then on top of that, we got brand ambassador. Think about getting those brand deals. All things Canva, digital marketing, business funding, grant, business vault, print on demand, public relations, healthcare bosses, travel bosses, Pinterest. See, monetizing with AI, we have that as well too. Royal School of Taxes coming soon. Referral directory coming soon. What? What? This is coming soon. Done for you services. All things done for you. Store bills, courses, and ebooks. Done for you coming soon. What? Then she got VIP mentorship coming soon. 7-figure inner circle. Get mentored by my mentor. Go girl. RBA admins. Look at this information here. Seriously. So much information. Everything is done for you. It's a plug and play system that you can utilize right at your fingertips. I'm telling you, all you got to do is either click the link in the description below, go to mompreneurprofits.com. Now you done saw a sneak peek. All you got to do is basically click on the second link and sign up for RBA. And boom, you get immediate access. Simple as that. When you do decide to join me, I will also send you my mini course about drop shipping and print on demand. Something I did based off of my knowledge and experience as well too. So that is basically my appreciation gift to you for pretty much joining me. Partnering up with me is what I want to say. But yeah, definitely check that description below, mompreneurprofits.com. You can definitely see what else I have to offer on my digital storefront as well too. And hey, I hope to see you guys on the inside. Have a blessed and awesome day. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this with someone that is looking for a way to earn online. If you're scared to come online and be showing your face, you can do this faceless. It is totally okay. People are doing it. People are making money as well too. But you have to be consistent. You have to be consistent. So definitely subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you again.